All right, let's do this problem again. So we started out saying that the rate is equal to the speed of the slower train. So the rate plus 16 equals the speed of the faster train. So now I'm going to set up a little chart. I've got the slower train and I have the faster. For the slower, it's rate times time equals distance. So it's going to be rate times the time, which we don't know, equals 170. And the faster one is going to be the rate plus 16 times time 2, which equals 150. So we should then be able to determine that time 1 is equal to, which is the slower train, 170 over r. And time 2 is equal to 150 divided by r plus 16. So the slower train's rate, minus the faster train's time should equal 2. And that's where I got my equation from, which was 170 over r minus 150 over r plus 16 equals 2. And then from there, I got an equation which was 2r squared plus 12r minus 2720 equals 0, which is really just r squared plus 6r minus 1360 equals 0. And I'll have to tell you, I put it in the calculator and found out where it intersected that x-axis, and it was at r equals 34. I was looking for the rate of the slower train, so it's 34 miles per hour. So that's the answer. Now Casey presented us with a different way to do it. Hold on, bell ringing. And with Casey's way, you can still do it, but you're going to have something different. I'm going to let now x represent time. Okay? Okay, so if x is going to be time, mine was talking about rate, speed. His is going to be talking about time. So it was the slower train plus 16 should equal the faster train, okay? And that was the rates. So the slower rate plus 16 should equal the faster rate. So now I have, for the slower train, I have rate times time equals distance again. And so for the slower train, that would be that rate times so let's see, hold on a second here. So the time is x plus 2, and that equals the 170, and that's the slower. And then for the faster train, it would be the rate times time equals 150. So then from there, this is rate 1 and rate 2. So we had slower rate 1 plus 16 equals faster rate 2. So I am now going to say that R1 plus 16 equals R2. And I'm getting that from here. And then here's kind of like my chart. And so rate 1 can be represented as 170 divided by x plus 2 plus 16 equals 150 divided by x. And so now we are solving for x, which gives us the time. So when you work that out, you get 4x squared plus 13x minus 75 equals 0. And you plug that in, again, finding the x-intercept. It intercepts at x equals 3. So now, therefore, the rate of the slower train, which was rate 1, is equal to 170 divided by x plus 2, which is 170 divided by x plus 3, which is 34 miles per hour. So both ways, it works. All right, hopefully that was helpful, more helpful. Good luck.